Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can upload any kind of file on Google Drive and how you can share that. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, you have to click on these dots, and after clicking on dots, you will see the option like this. Here's the drive option. So you have to click on the drive option and you have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, the drive option is open. I have opened some files and I have shared those as well. So what we need to do, we have to click on the new file, and after clicking on the new file, we have to click on the file upload. Or if you want to upload your folder, then you have to click on the folder upload. So I'm going to click on the file upload. Now I'm going to select this file and now click on the open, and it will be uploaded. So as you can see, the file is uploaded. Now we have to click on this option. So let's click on this, and here's the file. Now right click on this, and now we have to click on the share. And after clicking on the share, as you can see, you will see the option like the share, or if you want to copy the link, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on the share, and after clicking on the share, now I'm going to copy the link, and now you have to change the option like anyone with the link can open this. Now press the done, and the link is ready. Now you just have to share the link whom with you want to share your file or share your video, and he will be able to download and preview this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can upload a file on Google Drive and share that. So see you guys in the next video.